Hi everyone, and welcome back to Joy as It Flies. Today we're going to be learning the yarn over slip stitch. Before we get into the good stuff, I thought I'd just show you this jumper that I'm making. Now this is just a mock-up, but it's using the yarn over slip stitch. And as you can see, this stitch is just gorgeous. It has a wonderful amount of stretch to it, and it also has the most beautiful texture, which looks like knitting, but it's not knitting, so it's just a win-win. But yeah, I really hope you like this tutorial, and without further ado, let's get started. You're going to start with a yarn and a hook of your choice, and you're going to make a slip knot. From here, you're then going to chain your desired length plus one extra chain. So I'm making a chain of 13, and I'm using a standard DK yarn and a 4mm crochet hook. So, for row 1, we're going to begin by working into this second chain from your hook. So here's the first chain and here's the second. And all we're going to be doing is making a slip stitch with a yarn over beforehand. So yarn over your hook, insert it into the second chain from your hook, like this. Then yarn over, pull through the chain, and pull straight through the 2 loops on your hook. And that's it, that is a yarn over slip stitch. And we're going to repeat this all the way down our chain. So yarn over, insert it into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, and pull straight through the 2 loops on your hook. Now, as you're working along your chain, one thing you want to think about is your tension. You want to make sure your stitches are really nice and loose, as this is going to make your life so much easier in the rows to come. So I've now completed row 1, and to finish it off, you're simply going to chain 1. This chain 1 does not count as a stitch, and you're going to turn your work. If you look at the top of your stitches, you'll see that they look like small V's, with a front loop and a back loop. Now for the whole of this pattern, we are going to be working into the back loop only. So find that very first stitch, yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop only, and make your yarn over slip stitch as normal. So pull through it and then pull straight through the loops on your hook. And you're simply going to repeat this all the way down. So yarn over, into that back loop only, pull through that, and pull through the 2 loops on your hook. And that is the pattern. You're going to simply repeat this for as many rows as you would like. So that's making your yarn over slip stitch into the back loop only, chaining 1 at the end, and then turning your work. And you should end up with something like this. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you found it helpful, I'd love to hear from you down below in the comments. If you have any questions or requests, please let me know and I'll do my best to get back to you. And as always, happy crocheting!